Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to do a basic configuration of a remote desktop. So we're going to go into our start button and we're going to go into settings. From here you're going to click on system and then you're going to scroll down into remote desktop. Now once you're in remote desktop you see that you have a lot of options and you see that we have our enable remote desktop on because we're shooting this video and we need to keep it on or unless we're gonna lose everything. So below that you see that we have different options. We have my keep my PC awake for connections when it's plugged in. This usually has to do with the battery life. You can see more information about it in our video on our description below. And also we have make my PC discoverable for private networks. And here are some advanced settings at the network level authentication. So you see that all computers are required to use the network level authentication, so it's recommended. And you have some links on why it's that recommended. And also you see our current remote desktop port. So you can change that as well if you want to connect to a specific one, but ours is that number just for reference. If we keep scrolling down, you're gonna see that we have an option to connect to the PC if you don't have a remote desktop client. Usually the computer comes with it, but if you have a Mac or an Android or iOS and you want to connect to this computer, you can just click there and it's gonna take you to a landing page where you can download the apps. So we're just gonna click here and see you have more information regarding the subject, and then you can get the app and you can see the setup instructions for each of the different softwares and devices. So we're just gonna close that. And once we go into the user accounts, we can select which user specifically can have access to this PC. So we usually want to keep it within the administrators. We don't want to give anyone that much access just for security reasons. So it's very important that you only keep it for the administrators that you're working with. So you can just click add and add them there, and you can remove access whenever you want, and it's gonna be removing and adding access automatically. So once we're done with that, we're just gonna click OK, and then we're gonna see how we can access the old version of this interface. So this is the new version with the new update that Windows did. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna X out of it, and we can show you another way that you can access all of this information. So you're gonna go into your documents and you're gonna go into this PC, and from there you're gonna right click and you're gonna click on properties. So once you're in properties, you have a lot of information, and on your left hand side you're gonna see remote settings. So this is the old way for the old interface that you can make all of these changes. The way that we just showed you is the new way. I think it's a little bit simpler because it has more information than the old version, but just so you guys know. If you like our video, please comment below and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.